Though miles apart, Korea and ASEAN are bound by friendship. From Seoul to Singapore, where cultures converge in harmony, and from Singapore to Manila, where the Korean spirit is not foreign, but familiar to many. The echoes of Korean culture linger like a familiar melody in Bangkok, Hanoi, Jakarta, and beyond. ASEAN and Korea blend perfectly like dancers moving to the same rhythm. This is a relationship that transcends across borders. ASEAN and Korea, metaphors of unity. On our tables, Korea lives its flavors. Samgyeopsal with friends, kimchi beside adobo, ramyun with Thai chili, hot pot with nasi goreng. Between chopsticks and spoons, between banana leaves and sizzling grills, a bridge is built. A bridge where Korean spice meets ASEAN's sweetness. A bridge where every bite is a handshake and every meal is a treaty written in taste. In ASEAN and Korea, food is not just eaten, it is recited like poetry of flavors. A song released in Seoul becomes a heartbeat in Surabaya. A drama written in Busan becomes a tear shed in Cambodia. What begins as a story in Korea is retold in the laughter of friends in Manila and in the chants of fans in Malaysia. K-dramas and K-pops are lanterns carried across the ocean, illuminating not just screens but identities. In them, ASEAN youth see reflections of themselves, the courage to dream, the fire to create, the poetry of belonging to something greater. This is how Korea and ASEAN meet, not on treaties signed in silence, but in voices singing together, in stories watched side by side, in hearts beating to a rhythm that no border can contain. This is not only entertainment, this is a thread of unity. Korea and ASEAN light a single flame that glows across borders, reaching hearts and communities alike. Food feeds its warmth, carrying flavors that tell stories of home and friendship. Fashion gives its color, painting expressions of identity, pride, and innovation. Entertainment makes it dance, moving with rhythms of joy, laughter, and shared dreams. And culture keeps it burning, rooted in traditions yet open to change, strong enough to endure and evolve. The flame is not just history remembered, but a future imagined, a shared fire of creativity and unity that shines even brighter together.